So what we're going to do today is we're going to trim out the window, other than putting another hinge in the middle and cleaning it all up and sanding it and then deciding what we're going to do for paint. That's what we're going to do today. Cut that off. 26.5. No? 0.
Yeah, you want 0. Yeah. Straight across. You were just saying this is 26.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we got to inset this 7/8 of an inch in here. So this is going to be our ledge. I have to put a ledger in. We'll have to angle it a bit too. But first off, I'm going to go in 7/8 of an inch so it butts up against the window.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to cut it out of here, 7/8 of an inch on either end.
Right.
And then we'll set it in. And then we'll cut an angle on this side with the table saw. So it's got a little bit, you always want a little bit of slope. So we'll have to cut a slope here and here. The rain hits it, drains off.
Right, so it sheds it, yeah. Okay. So you're using the table saw for this, or?
I think the jigsaw is going to be I'm going to use the table saw and the jigsaw.
Right.
7/8 of an inch. That's good.
Oh, nice.
Now we just have to put an angle on it.
Mm-hmm. So how do you attach it that you keep your angle?
Oh,
Okay.
we'll just pin it down. Slight angle.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Or do we want to come down here? I'm going to come down about an inch so we cover this. So 18 3/4. Perfect. A little trick if you want to get it close, you put it upside down, the corner, and you mark it.
Where are you marking it?
Right at this corner.
Oh, okay.
So we know that the angle's got to go this way, and this is how far the cut goes.
Right.
So you got to cut this one now.
Okay. Where's my line? Oh, there.
Right there. Yep.
This is the piece that's going up.
Yes.
So if I'm going to do a test cut, it should be over here.
Yes.
So I think that looks good. I should finish that cut, I'm thinking. Yes?
Perfect.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Cool. That looks nice.
Yeah. But you can get carried away. See, I think we're gonna have to do something here anyways.
Mm-hmm.
Because I want to cover that seam. Okay, let's cover this seam. So we'll cover this, and we'll start trimming it out around. I think that'll look all right.
Yeah, I think so too.
And if worst comes to worst, we could do something like that too.
Yep. See where it goes.
Dress it up a bit.
Yep.
Let's take that bottom hinge off.
Okay. Put the trim on. Mm.
Battery's already dead.
Time for a new battery.
New battery. Here, let me just mark this. Make sure that door still opens before we get too far ahead of ourselves here.
Yep. Good enough. Still opens and closes. Well, we're gonna have to rain delay.
So got the hinges adjusted. Door closes good again. Now we'll start putting the trim. Boy, that might work out.
I think that looks good.
I think that's going to work out.
So we got enough already cut up, or we have to cut up another pallet?
Might have to cut up another pallet. It's gonna start raining again.
Yeah, I know. You have to loosen it off so you can slide that under? Okay.
I think we'll take the recip saw and we'll just.
So you can add a ramp, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wrap it. And then that hinge looks way better.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm glad you talked me into it.
Well, I think it looks better.
Yeah, I think so too. It looks much better. 3 5/8. 3 5. Hold this out.
I will.
This last piece has to be a little wider just because of the dimensions of the board, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's a 47-inch door. So I'll have to shave this a bit.
I think it's cool that you can pull the ones off the cast-off pile and reuse them for other things.
Yeah.
So now the middle piece? Got one for that, or are we out of wood?
So we had one that fit right in there.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness. Just about, eh? Awesome. Cool.
Yeah, we didn't have the joints in the same place.
Mm. Oh well. It's rustic. I can only plan so many things.
That's right.
That's my fault. I didn't see it. I didn't see that. I'm quality control over here.
Oh.
Or detail oriented. Or some other adjective that's not terribly complimentary. I think it looks good.
See those joints to move up.
No. Nothing paint won't fix.
Go inside and you push this flush.
Yep.
Kind of even it up all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll put the door stop in there.
Okay.
You happy?
Always. Perfect.
I think we need to cross these.
Okay.
What do you think?
I don't, but I don't think you need one, but you can put one on if you so desire.
What I'm thinking of doing is step it about here, put a double 2x4 on both sides, and then just build a ramp up of gravel.
Mm-hmm.
Might have to get some longer ones. I gotta buy some 2-foot rebar anyways to
Yeah. To reinforce the.
yeah.
bottom of the shed.
This might just work for temporary.
So why did you switch to screws?
Well, just because it's not going into the ground. What's the matter? Can't you see the door?
You're so funny. Looks good. Nice job.
We did a good job.
I think so.